What's up my people? Welcome back to the channel. So I have some things I'm going to share with you my people. And I'm going to run through that one quick and fast because I even start late. So Rosalie have some things to say about Cheese and Nicki Minaj situation. You know what I mean? Like she don't like the how Cheese come this Nicki Minaj in that way there. See, we have Annie and our driver kick off my people. So I'm going to share what you have to say about the situation. We also have Shibada and Shay link up. You know what I mean? And them I say red hands afraid for left Anna because Anna own all of the furniture them. You see me I say, and people may not know if me left off nothing, but these are the things me have to share with you know. Maybe I add more things as we go on, so make we kick it off.
Everybody
You said the woman, when I time me listen to her, me say, she say, she bother can't no sweat, never sweat yet. No, she say Candy. Are the same words. Come here, say you say she bother never sweat yet. No, you say Candy never sweat yet. You never see Candy and sweat yet.
Rosalie nice. Rosalie nice like a plate of bad rice. She nice.
Right. So me
listen to Rosalie.
yeah, because me say all this time you and these people are friends. No, you ball out justice.
Justice for the little wife, for the parents' name and the little wife. Justice!
Justice!
Like the body of a Justice for the clutter them in our house.
I understand it, just boy the upper one big dirty hypocrite, a big hypocrite.
Time she about justice for the little boy, she gonna find the man where her sister, little sister entertain. She gonna find the big man. She just beat her little sister. Say fear carelessness. She gonna find the big man that she about justice. Because don't think say Shantana have man too. Shanta study Rosalie. Shantana when Rosalie asleep, when Rosalie a gamble, when Rosalie wants something to eat, and when Rosalie don't think.
One thing I know, she would have never beat a little girl, so she could never beat Shanta so. Thank you for the war.
For me, no Rosalie on the app. Because everything takes place on the app. For me, no on the app. Rosalie never lick her pity them stuff on the app yet.
Never. She will promise them, say she will lick them, no, but she not lick them.
Yeah, I know her promises are up to her fool.
Right, and she would jeer them like, hey, want me thump in your feet, and then she not doing nothing.
So come here now, Jace have somebody with a pregnant picture.
I got me there, I wonder, but through me I work on so me not really get no more information, cause
You have to go down in a nitty-gritty shade.
the person who always link me and give me the news, cause she claim to say she know her who, but she don't know her who.
So you have the number for the get up bedroom?
Of course, yeah, that's why I say through me I work.
Yeah.
Me not really hear much like one time.
No, what I forgot on the grapevine for this.
Yeah.
Then she will want to cheese the blase.
You know, what you want to chat her, say, me not chat nobody with you, know.
No, if I chat her with my man, because if she rub you, I remember them girl in a pain for it. And I disciple them, you know.
She have rubbed me first and then me chat her.
You're lucky. She, and the worst thing that you do. You turn out for rub you. Oh my God. You're so darn.
I'm not trouble.
Then come here now. If which part she used to live, it stays so when she get put out. Then come here. What go here, so?
No, she get nice space now.
It's nice, but how she gonna keep it? Come here. Remember the last episode, you know? Remember the last episode, the place is dirty and pull up and look bad, you know? Come like gonna forget all of them something on the app.
She'll keep it. She should go there now. She want
one thing we don't know, Shay, one thing I like, oh my friend, you study hypocrisy.
So me can't talk. She get a nice place. I like the place and I wish her all the best.
Assist greetings.
What is the problem?
She wonder if she will keep it clean.
You keep it clean.
Cheese look clean to you?
Yeah.
Then she you nasty to man.
Well, if I somebody cares, no problem, me nasty.
Then she Jaden look clean to you?
No.
Then old cheesy blase look clean to you. Yes, a wicked girl.
Majera like beard.
Yes, a cheesy like baby there.
We wouldn't know that.
Oh, we do know how cheese look like Jaden.
No, not to me.
Huh?
Not to me.
Hold on there. May I read something here so shade? No more. Somebody send me a message.
Jesus Christ. Would that be another?
No, me I want it for Martin.
One thing you call Martin there.
Ah, them send me the girl with Jakes there with.
What going for Trish Dan? How me for know that?
No man, Jakes like, are the girl, I'm pregnant, she pregnant? I'm a big or baby big?
Let me check my Instagram.
I think well. Let's say a bit rough, man. Me get the picture, the girl with Jakes there with. I want to see it, please. Okay, you want to see it?
You want me now?
I don't know. When you get it.
Hey, I one thing me have to tell GX, you know, GX don't F up your future, my brother. Yes, what me I say. Because me see too much man find a woman or have a woman who have things and them not have not even dry shit in a them rare. And them go on like say them a big gyalis and I look everybody and knock every girl on the road until the woman get fed up and left them with nothing. And them turn the worst thing. Nobody now look on them. Even the people them what them used to drink with and spend them money with now look on them. You see me I say? So take heed. Cut off the link. Load the girl thing. Just go on link with your woman. You see me I say? Because if she move her foot, you drop. Simple as that. You see me now? Say him can't pick up himself, you know. But the life for him used to live, it'll go take a while before him start live it back, or if him get a chance to live it back. You see me? So choose which one you prefer. People, make you watch some more.
As long as you take reach Belgium.
My dear. Yeah, this is our alright, this is the girl over here, so our sister.
Our sister.
Yeah, the one in the white with turn her head for the sister that.
Yeah.
And she have the prom and she should take back the prom from her everything.
So, other girl that Jake's breed?
That one here right there, in the middle of the sister friend, you know.
A sister friend?
Yeah, sister friend. Get them, let me get the picture of it, our sister friend.
Are we sharing?
Why? Maybe it's belly just, maybe my gas time of fiber, I don't know.
The little girl is?
She look like a little girl, but she's not a little girl.
No, I mean like 17, 18, you know.
Oh, yeah, a young girl, man. Like both her, remember says her sister friend, you know. Her sister how much chat, so maybe them age group there.
Wait, Rosalie's sister friend?
Yeah, a Rosalie's sister friend.
Wait, that's why she beat the little girl, so Jake's a take Rosalie's sister friend.
Yeah, her sister friend.
Our sister friend, Jake's the with?
Yeah, our sister, our own sister friend.
But Rosalie not married a year, yeah? She not about that married. I would just report the live. Them out of the, you know, sister we chat to Rosalie. Then the sister we chat to Rosalie. When they don't do it, we chat to Rosalie. Yeah. Then Jakes, your sister Jakes, what up and down in her family though?
Yeah, tell them why.
And the Rosalie's company up and tell girl how to live. Me not lie, I want somebody to say, where tough it there? Why two fingers go back for Rosalie?
I think so.
The girl ready back up Rosalie downtown and said, hey, run out your mouth now. Run out your mouth. I tell you for run out your mouth. I tell you on the tip and the neck to my bag.
Oh dear. But it's a little Jake was her stepfather.
I can't believe this girl. So the money really a swing this so I like Rosalie's sister. Rosalie's sister make her friend and take her food off and Jakes and Rosalie together.
But if I did my sister, I would do the same too.
Oh God.
Yeah, because obviously my sister, you idiot girl, of course. Why not?
It's true. Why not?
That is the same thing too.
So what you have to say about cheese plus Nicki Minaj?
What do you say about cheese plus Nicki Minaj?
Hey, no bother with it, you know. No bother with it because if I did Rosalie that hear how much ungrateful she ungrateful.
No, but cheese and Nicki Minaj, they used to I don't know the story go.
Cheese and Nicki Minaj, you saw what?
Me think one time Nicki Minaj make cheese come on one show. I don't know, I don't remember.
Nicki Minaj never make cheese come on one show. Cheese go on one show because Nicki Minaj said I want lion and cheese is hungry and want it. And you know you want to go like you're a fan and you're a groupie, you know. I know you come to London and post the woman, but the woman take your soul. Cheese is have a soul.
Can be.
You say cheese is have a soul?
Yes.
How do you know that?
You have a soul.
How will you know that?
You just know she have a soul.
Say, do you have a soul?
Yes, I do.
Are you behaving like cheese the Blasi?
No, I'm not.
So would you say that your soul is like cheese the Blasi soul?
Everybody's soul is different.
You never study soul. You never study soul. Don't say that now.
My soul is different from your soul.
Shay, is your soul pure?
My soul is pure.
Would you say cheese the Blasi soul pure?
Pure.
Then you don't know about purity.
Then that means I don't know about soul because I don't study soul.
Good. Then don't answer what you don't know, my love.
Okay.
Because when you look at cheese, you see the devil's arse with.
Oh, I don't know.
Yes, ma'am. That girl is a viper and a vampire. But because I know that you not take tea with Nicki Minaj and not saying anything. But what are we Raja man him? Eh? What are we Raja man him play him and him made together? And what are we Raja carry cocky feelings?
Raja is my friend. Leave Raja alone.
I'm not going to talk about it now. I never want to speak about it until I get to leave. No, come here, Shay. We'll talk about
Why you want to talk about my friends then?
Then what are we Raja your mouth and I carry cocky earth?
They don't know anything about it.
Me no want to know nothing about it. Me just want to know about the situation. Shame
There's no situation.
Raja carry cocky feelings.
No, you are care. You are care the same thing.
You see when a boy, let a boy, when a boy did that, you know say Raja mind the boy. Raja want to say nobody not take care of the boy better than him. Me not ask you, Shane. Shane, me not ask you. Listen to this.
Hey, my people, I'm gonna tell you something, man. You see when Jamaica people label you as Batman, me I tell you, say, you could have do anything, you could have caused, you could have caused show them your Batman. Why me don't know people? When Jamaica people label you as swim around with people, that is a hard something for you to shake off. You know what I mean? What's in a boy, people don't make me know what they think, yeah, man. This more ask though. What do you think man can ask feminine and them on a body man? Make me know what they think.
You listen to this, you don't have a dick, you have a claim. Come listen to this. Yes, you see, where Raja go through and I can see my display, you know. Where Raja, don't say anything. Finger on your lip. Finger on your lip. You take
my finger not dip on my lip.
You take no material. Raja should have never side with the meat. No way, no shape at all. No,
Wow.
I'm not the same about it. Fine, hear this now. And that's serious note now, seriously now. And that's serious note. You know why? When I see the argument, I'm not talk about it, you know. Anyway, I'm not talk about it.
Right.
I'm going to say, Roger now focus for way, madam. It's in a batty world. It's when you take up a boy and mine a boy.
Correction, Roger no in a batty world.
Oh, Roger, remember him take the cocky, sorry. Him in a cocky world.
No.
It's when, you know this we talk. No. I tell you.
You have to say it better.
It's when you're in a batty world.
When you're in a just one world, boy, the two don't look like twins, and nothing wrong with that real Mackay. You see, we have a problem. Or you see, police are look for it. What you say now? Continue the conversation.
It's in a bottom world. You know.
You're going to say in the world. You don't say bottom world, cocky world, or batty world. You're going to say in the world.
It's when you're in the world
Yes.
of the rich and famous. No, on a serious note, you know, say woman have it too. You know, say woman have the tendency to. When you mind a man, let me tell you something. It's inevitable. I see him do it, I don't want him to do it. I never want him to do it, but I never want to talk about it. It's when not in other words, it's when you find somebody where you are mine, you don't want them leave you. You want to leave them. It's best when you leave them. Even so, when you leave them, you don't want them to be doing better than all you used to make them do. And at that catch Roger. You see, it became intense with jealous and embarrassed and revengeful. Trust me. And that's something we can make you wish death upon the person. You never know that? Shay, that means saying even in a relationship, you were just a more growing up man. Come here. Me can't understand how you have what I cannot understand this.
No, I was a little private whore, so I don't really understand because I wasn't a public whore, but a private whore.
Public and private, it come with understanding.
No, me is a little I was a private whore, not I don't
Pick up yourself, because we know you're not like Shay. Anybody not like Shay, me and them my friend. Yeah. Backside wall. So, yes, that when me hear Roger talk about, I'm going to tell the woman what to do and blah, but you don't do that.
But you know that the lady, she talked to me, and I know the story also, you know, but
it don't matter about the story, that this is what I'm trying to say to you. I care zero about the story because there's no story. Number one, the man I look life. So there is no story.
Not him a look live, but him love likes.
It doesn't share. This is the thing about it. It has nothing to do with the man. It has nothing to do with the man. It has everything to do with the two nincompoop. You never know that?
One nincompoop.
Two, Roger and the woman are two nincompoop. The man used them to get ahead.
One nincompoop, which is the one.
Two, you're right here, and you're a real hypocrite. And you're a real hypocrite.
How am I being a hypocrite?
Roger go always go through man earth. Roger go always go through man earth because you're not
always go through.
No, if I didn't mean it, that's say Roger, don't call the woman, don't friend the woman, make she go through where she have go through. You have gone through what the guy put you through. She never hear. Remember sending in hype on Roger. Remember she come back and play her voice note. Remember. Move! Where? So, send me one class, I will say.
Why you want to cuss me?
That's when we can't be not in the line. Me not in the line. I think my sister did have better sense than that. Then after the woman come back and bust my secret now, me could still tell her, Roger move from here so you carry cocky earth. A cocky earth, yeah, carry Roger.
I don't know, Roger don't.
Roger carry cocky earth. Roger missing mouth on the old.
I know him always. It's okay, he can cuss me because he have nothing against you.
But that's still the same. I can answer himself for that earth. Me have nothing against Roger. Me not have nothing against Roger, but my sister him just make an answer himself.
No,
and that's the difference between you and I now. Me play genuine with my sister, you play hypocritical towards my
not your
friend.
sister. Roger is not your sister, correction.
Roger is my sister.
No.
She,
how you are related?
She, never tell you the truth.
Yeah.
You see, Roger father is my father.
You don't know Roger daddy. Roger daddy died.
My daddy died.
You just... You can't make me beat you. What your problem?
She, you can't meet me when you have bring the money and I don't want it. Go off by yourself.
Leave Roger.
No, Shay, you keep saying that leave Roger alone. It's not only Roger I'm talking to, you know. Roger made a mistake like every other girl out there where I make the same mistake and one of them can't see it. And then but me I tell you say, the woman could have never come bust for me and she a carry spot for the man. Me not doing it. Me not breathe. And one thing with me not gonna ever talk against a boy. When me know say me and him used to sleep with, but I never hear that from me. That's why me not take command cocky. Yeah, me not take command cocky. A boy could have never do me that, and if a boy come on and him lay down with me, I have to keep him finger upon him, lip or tongue roll back in him throat. But now, so you not tell my sister the truth. And you sit on my clown. You sit on my clown out my sister.
Roger is not your sister.
You can't Roger my sister and Shalom my man.
It is not your sister.
Roger and my sister Shalom my man.
No, Shalom is not your man.
Shalom my man, because enough them there you sit down and chat about Shalom. And you tell me say, you mother you know say, me and Shalom did a chat about you.
No!
Yeah?
No!
We have screen recording.
No! You cannot do that! Don't do such thing! Delete!
Shay, and you tell me enough time when Shalom the
No, listen, you cannot do that!
Cause since you don't want to chat nobody, enough time later, I say, Shay, look if Shalom did it, say, you the pan.
No!
Come over there.
Let me check it.
Yeah, me make fake page.
No! You're not gonna do that!
As well, some people, I do that one quick and fast, so let me know what you think in the comment section. We'll watch some more.
Let me check it in there.
Shalom, you go want some 01 away.
Shalom. Lie. She better tell me. You know me love you differently. She better eat you like pie.
Shalom, I love you.
Shalom,
I can't wait for one night. Me a pass in the dark. And you hold on for my hand. I will go with you.
Shalom, I love you. Don't make she better corrupt you again.
Shalom, I me love you more than she. She talk about friendship, love. I have something that's
Shalom. Me and you always burn out Shibada, boom, bye in a batty boy.
I want them. To man, them are up and I kiss up in a bed. Say, yeah. But wait a second. If you know what's buying a chichi man care, we can't take chichi man. Yes, madam. Find one more.
Me no more.
A little bit about the music, them
little bit. Let me tell you why me say big girl. Learn that for the matter.
What you mean? When you do it in the public, where you do it. Shalom walk with it, you know.
Get up, boy, man, I go sit down. True.
Staying after more.
No, a little bit of batty song.
A little bit of batty music. Jamaican not homophobic. Jamaican not homophobic, you know.
Them not
homophobic, man.
I know. Chichi man car from Mr. Big. And then log on and step on Chichi man.
Yeah. Oh, you mean stepping up white body?
Easy. I little bit about this song, them man.
A little bit about this song, Jamaican not too homophobic. I lie them at tell you could have gone married out here. Yeah.
No, I'm married. You know that song your vibe cartel, no man. You know that one?
Where your husband said more married?
Yeah.
No, my love. Who else look and chat now, you shame? Who else? Yeah.
You see the man named Akiwaka talk big things about Annie.
Akiwa, who name some?
That I want must will drive a car and bring you up there also. But nobody go around her no stay long.
More people add to Annie?
Yeah, Akiwak, one man named Akiwak, him there all over my For You page.
Then Annie walk clean the internet.
Uber man.
Uber man?
The man where she never come out of the car. Oh. Man that drive her. Remember she always driving.
So what baby, what one between she and him?
Like someone happen and some showdown one time over there talk their things. And the people will say nobody will go on and not stay long, and I wonder why.
Anything and he should have sleep out him in.
To go Anna yard and them she say Anna diss her.
Then she go like she and Anna been friend.
That me and say go Anna yard and Anna diss her blood clot.
Them don't know so them can't stay together. Me if you say I need to take redance, you know. Me just feel so.
And when Anna say, as me take off the wig a problem.
Oh God, me see what a little girl in the art, she ugly, you know.
Here I know, as me take off the wig a problem, I'm tired.
You look like redance don't want no man.
Yeah, as she said I should take off the wig a problem in her house.
He want a real man, he don't want a fake man. Then you say that she alone in my grind.
Yes.
Then who could have make redance fashion in body in them hole?
Me a say him fucking out of the ear, but that's all you alone me a fuck.
No, but you see, on a serious note, she, I don't blame him.
No, I don't blame him.
Him have a belly wearing a female and him still standing firm.
Right.
Still standing firm.
I'm here, I say, I better we just go separate ways. I hope one day we can just part.
Then go them forgot them separate ways and a furniture. Then they never figure out that. Then they can't move out, then Redance no sleep. Then Redance, make up your mind. Think about it, Redance, please. Think about it. Oh, you mean go your separate ways? Is that how we? This is how we, man. It's how we this to Anisha. Oh, you mean go your separate ways? So you know you have no furniture.
And that him say.
You know that boy not thinking? He's not thinking, you know. The child move out now, you do live and everything I echo. When you see it when you can't work it out till you buy something now. Because then you see all the plastic things in the drain for Anna.
Look here.
Come here, Shane.
People, this is just my opinion on the red answer Anna situation. Me feel like say Anna go eventually get her heart broken. You see me I say? And it's sooner you accept certain things I better for you, you know what I mean? Cause watch out my people. Me feel like say the G not really want, him not really love her like that and she know. Because them have countless argument and the dog tell her say yo Ray. You see me I say? So me feel like say when him find a woman where suit him, like a woman with things, cause that every young boy dream, you know, if you find a woman with things to take care of them, you know. I feel like say if him find that him gone, make me know what I think.
Shane, come on, hurry up.
No, you for come and you chat every blood clot body.
Me?
Yeah.
You walk on everybody life. You.
And you are Martin saying you everybody business.
Martin said me everybody business, but you have greater communication with them.
But you don't want to
Shane, they don't want to be a Roger idiot for the boy.
No, you don't do that.
I'm in I one thing with you. I one thing with me, I like how Fabia use a fake belly and my Jaden. Yeah. Jaden for living a one crib. Jaden keep the house like it's a playpen.
Jesus, watch him. Am I done? Everybody wait. Hear him, now stop.
Yeah, for sure. And cheese, you see cheese foot?
Yeah.
I'm sure you want a video, Shay. I didn't like that show, you know. That's when Cheesy Blast there come. And I'm going like she a portion and nothing. I want to show you something. And I just say, what on the Shay? Shay not gonna wear now.
We're not going anywhere, waiting to see what you're showing the weekend.
You're going to go for Shalom. You don't have to try, right? You know?
No, inshallah.
Yeah, so she come to the house there.
I don't say anything.
You're damn right. Because nothing is there to look at. Look at this.
I don't say anything.
Shay, you're right. This is one
I
of
only
the
see a phone screen. I don't see anything.
This is one of the biggest this where you can't see the individual. Look there. Friday the 13th. Yeah, wait a minute, I'll show you the anthem down below. And you don't see the anthem yet, Shay. You don't see anything.
I don't know what they're showing.
Have you seen my foot?
The phone I break up.
And I talk to you, Shay. I'll show you some stuff phone can't break up. Phone can't break up on photograph. She's the blast there, your friend. That this dirty somebody. I'm going to show you somebody else. My own.
No. I'm really interested in seeing your cars. 21st century, my mind make up a long time before me a big man from your boy.
And me ma chatting and a smile. What you must do?
Sleep on my bed with my father.
So we shall have my blood shine.
I say my
Okay.
calculate up a Mali time, Mali fastive.
The whole Lord, all them argument they might show down for me.
Sleeping there.
Shalom, me and share chat you.
Don't call my name.
We miss you.
Don't call my name.
I miss you more.
Don't call my name.
Yeah.
No, I hate that. Anyway, what I'm gonna say is, Miss Q, Cheese make a statement, and when Cheese made the statement, I can't agree with Cheese. Because at the end of the day, nobody can be a downfall in a life. Sometimes we as human beings be on a downfall, that's why I cannot agree with her. Nicki Minaj is a human being like me, like everybody else. Blood run through she like everybody else. We don't want a Red Bull, care about the Red Bull. Never tell us someone want a Red Bull, I say I want to drink a rum. Care about the Red Bull. Nicki Minaj is a human being like me and you and everybody else in this world. The only thing with Nicki Minaj and us is that she has talent. Jakes, pass the charger. The only thing with Nicki Minaj and we is that Nicki Minaj have talent. Some people have talent. Some can sing, some can dance. Some can sing, some can dance. Some can run. You can't say we are going in life and we buck for tour. We can't blame other people Nicki Minaj have talent. Any career that Nicki Minaj personalizes is our talent. Which is wrong and poor is right. Like how you see a ball can run. Right? Put it like Rebel. So if Rebel there and Rebel bust out in the industry, I dance and she have her talent and she dance and she turn pan Billboard chart and she'll come around and help people. So when Rebel stop help people, go say Rebel did this and Rebel did that.
Well, Rosalie I say people can put you down or whatever she say. You know what I mean? People can contribute to your downfall. You see me? People can like you and try everything. And you know what I mean? Mess you up. No, I say, like, people can, you know what I mean? So me I go against Rosalie and say people can be a downfall. Yeah, people can be a downfall. You see me I say, but as far as Nicki Minaj and Cheese go, no, me not see that. All we see is Nicki Minaj trying to help or big up these people. Remember, Nicki Minaj an international artist, you know, she have a huge platform, you know. Where should I can gain from like Cheese downfall? Where she gain from that? So we just listen more talk and just make more talk. You see me I say, make me know what you think. We watch some more.
I cannot agree with Cheese. Nicki Minaj cannot be nobody's downfall. For Brit can like she more than anybody too much. Brit is her own downfall. Both of them mix up in what they mix up in. Blame them now use the app. Nobody can be nobody's downfall. Because they care much money you get in the world. If you won't have a mindset to say, okay, I'm gonna do this to get better, or I'm gonna do that to be better, you're not gonna better. Nicki Minaj are not God. Our God say. Our God say matter. There's a God that wake you to me and put you up. Nobody can be nobody bird downfall. Now you mix up in a people business. We don't know now they mix up in a. When people are going on life journey and they mix up, and we as human people wanna downfall. We as human people wanna downfall. We can't blame, you cannot blame others for your mistakes. And if she want hear it and cuss, so beat it. Come on, I argue with she's coming. Me like her. Naturally from a child. So babes, me I tell you some heart. You can imagine they don't fall, baby. Sometimes the crowd will choose and the people will hang out with. We have to learn to take accountability for our action. Sometimes the people will hang out with and the crowd will hang out with. Our downfall. Because what? If you decide to go to America and hang out with working class crowd of people that get up and go to work, you would have been very successful. But hang out with some local careless people, them no work. Show your company and tell who you are. You understand? You wake up, you got your work, you come in for your work. Your bills pay on time, you try to ensure you pay your bills. You take care of your youth, them you have youth, you have you. You take care of your youth, they make angle your business. Nobody can be nobody's downfall. If you don't get up and go try look something do in your life, it's not gonna come to you. Life is not easy as I think. So for me, for Cheese, I don't believe that Nicki Minaj can be nobody's downfall. Nicki Minaj is a person like me and you. The only difference with Nicki Minaj from us is that she can rap. That's the only difference. She can rap. The only difference with Nicki Minaj from us is that she can rap. She's an artist, she can rap, she can sing. That's the only difference. She's have talent in it and they can do here. So at the end of the day, all you need to do is get your apartment, get a little space, put one chair in a corner and decorate and do your ear. Lord, careless argument with people. You don't know if one of the time they when Nicki Minaj go up on tour, she can have you side her do her backup dancer ear. Fix up the backup dancer ear. You have your one talent in a year and so if you Cheese was a famous hairdresser where you get bookings on the Billboard chart and you help somebody and somebody go down the line, people that blame you for people don't fall. No. Cheese, that's crazy. I cannot blame anybody for anybody's downfall. You have to blame yourself. You must book your tone in life if you don't go to the right channel. Life is about ups and downs. This minute you're up, the next minute you're down. Over here, so some of us are big. You have days when give enough. I have days when you can't even catch your fucking speed. You wonder how the people them gone. Them they're right and some of them not have it. You can't blame nobody for your mistakes. You go some boobs and rob a man and kill him and them lock you up. We are gonna blame somebody for you. You can't blame nobody for your own mistakes. I totally don't agree with Cheese on that. You understand what I say? I'm not gonna have no in the comment section a bashar with bittersweet. When I drop down in the life, you get up and brush off your body and go again. You can't blame nobody for your mistakes and your downfall. No time at all. So I don't agree with that with Nicki Minaj and the bag of downfall rubbish. Artists have to keep up. Artists have to learn to keep up. It's all about, on the internet, it's all about keeping up. If you come here so you beg today, you come and say you beg today, you get something, and you're missing. Come now, church, and you're missing. For y'all 1 week, 2 weeks. When you come at the bad now look for you, it's all about keeping up. You're there foreign. One day situation where there, yeah. Me not judge you. You get a new apartment. Build back yourself, my girl. You can do here. Do here in the apartment. Put number. I am located in New York. Put your information by your bio. You can do here. That's your talent. Singing and Nicki Minaj talent. Sometime when I will Mama tell you this. Nobody can be nobody don't fall. Because what? When Nicki Minaj did a rap, you don't know what the circumstances she got through on the obstacle. You don't know her story. Success is not as when I say people successful, it have to come with hard sweat, blood and tears and consistency. And what about vocal training and long hours of studio. If Cheese want to come cuss me not care. I don't believe Nicki Minaj is your downfall. I believe you are the one that generates your life. You are your one downfall. Get up, Cheese, and pick up your pieces and stop blaming people. Don't blame. You used to be blamed. Get up and fix up yourself and put by the pieces. The Cheesy blase with me know back then cute and girly. Nice, demure, alright. Sexy, talk out of your mouth. Get up and fix by the puzzles and the pieces in your life, girl, and stop blaming people. Simple. You can do here, fix up in your partner house and do here in your place. Start color some white, get a license and start color some white people here. Do your ear. Pick up back his pieces, a life. And its journey. Pick up back his pieces in a life, man. Yes,
Hey, one thing them people, I mean, I think them know still, like the repercussions of things what them do on the internet. You see me? Alright. Say for instance, somebody like cheese and like how she go on and them something there. Seeing? And say, say, me just want to get cheese a thing or more help cheese certain way. You think, say, based on cheese action on the internet toward Nicki Minaj, that person would have seen the action there and how she behave and still help her? No for the time in life are we black with blessing. No for the time in life are we make we a struggle. You see me I say because our behavior and actions, especially on the internet in front of everybody. Nobody now gonna look upon you to help you. So you are dig yourself more down in our hole. You know what I mean? If she and Nicki Minaj have them differences and she come and say, yo, we have our differences, rare, this and that, and don't bring down the woman, why we can't separate from a person? Or we and a person can break friendship and we not bring them down? Why that can't happen?
So I didn't know that I can come back home to fix my car. I buy all tire. See that? New tire to put up on the car. I can't. Yeah. You suck your mother Alice here. Or where you fuck your one name. You suck your mother and go on your yard, man. You find some little man. Come out for this. She not have me up and done. It's just a part of the job. I'm a tour guide. So me bring people go anywhere they need to go. Jericho anywhere. I don't have a problem where we're going. Me just love the movements. And there's no problem between me and the person. Me not have up nobody. Me and nobody not have nothing either. Me just reach and hold a fresh and say, yo, people are rare. Me so me look money for go parties. What? You say it's a prank thing, it's a plan thing. I'm not to a party again, guys. I go Kingston right there, I'm not going to a party. And we and I man, I'm going. Nothing happen, guys. Everything good, yeah? We get on ready. Since I look parties, we go where? Me don't want the money. You don't tap up no screen, you don't send no gift. Me don't want nothing for no. Because I don't want the money for going to the damn party. I was host, me I want to buy I to be telling more money for buy. I need more buy one bus. But no bus and one vaccine. So if you're not going to support me, that me I put my money towards, yeah? And off a party. So if you don't feel like a party, me want to go with money, you don't know about that sending over. So I tell you honest truth. More and care more people. Look who can't nobody. Alright? Yeah. So if I go out beg anything, I have to buy a little bus, but I can expand my business. 12 o'clock, yeah, that's why I said, I come off a certain topic, and when I go up and know myself, what me need. You get me? Yes. When I get to all who never get to bad word, gone already. I shouldn't even smoke right now. Something about to happen, but I'm not telling you, I'm not just not going to see it. You see it? So when people try to... exactly. May I beg one more taxi, guys? Who can help me buy one next taxi? On top of the screen and send some gift, guys. Yeah, guys, this matter right now. Yeah, I don't know how to say it. I said people got influence. Nothing like that, guys. She just miss me, guys, alright? Tell her I'm so reach back her foot. Or not. Probably just... Tell me wrong, unless I want to eat that phone I use, girl. Because you're set on everything. The only thing you're not gonna get is my live recordings and highlights. You have control over everything. You can sub. You can join sub live chat. You can pin perks. Customer, you You can pin comments, you can do all of that. I'm gonna turn it off and turn it on back. You gotta give y'all too much access. Pinky, nobody the fuck it. I say, me a cuss bad word. I tell you, say, man, change my life, you know. You just a jam in a sense, so. Sure. Alright, you don't know something wrong on the phone, brother. Oh, what me as I can address that matter. Even though she's a kid. We don't really want to hear her name a call still, but it's no big deal. It's just that a little tiny thing around these people, we seem like he is a big old excitement because the negative always get a highlight too much. Get too much highlight. You know what I mean? Me and her mom speak about something like early in the morning, like she not getting the help, she not getting the support in certain way. You know what I mean? Like XYZ. I kind of understand what she has because she one can't do this. What she do? It's really rough. She have to rest, she have to eat sometime. You get me? She was coming out of the car, she say, oh, who want to run the live teacher? Because by the time they're busy, I said, give me a phone, I'm going to run the live. I played 2 match with Jagger. And I said, the people must shoot on 2 sides. Bam. You must say jump on that time and come back. So I give Zol the phone and say, I go all a piece and come back. Just go and play too much. They were playing a good game, a their game, and she lose and she disconnect. The thing is that when they disconnect sometime like from a match, you end up lose the shooters. The shooters them gone all both. So I say, yo, you don't have to disconnect, just play one next match. Keep the thing going. That's what your mom would do. You know what I mean? So I say play the match because that's the lady wanted. Uno want to do what Uno feel like. But you're going to look for somebody else. I say the next man you're going to play probably have no shoot of it and it's going to be a lame game. This a game you're going hot, you want Jagger. Just continue it and keep the thing going. Because una rank. She start giving me attitude. Somebody say, yo, I like on a 4-4, no, because all of the feelings, all about how uno feel. Don't deal people things how uno feel. You know what I mean? You have to be universal when you deal people. You get me? You can't just true me feel that way I say it because no. People have feelings different from yours. You get me? And she had this is what me feel. Look a pitney. She's a little child. She never. That's why I say you must 4-4. You don't care. If they want vex, don't disrespect me coming God.
But people, you see on the other hand, you have to watch what you say to people picnic also. You see me? Because if you never say what you say toward the woman daughter, she would say what she said toward you. You see me? I say, so at the end of the day, would have say you wrong first. But me never did it. You see me? Me didn't even see the video of everything we're going. You see me? I say, but the girl, like Zoe, I say, he was disrespecting her. You know what I mean? He was disrespectful. You understand? So, and you got to adjust the situation accordingly. You know what I mean? But let me know what you think. We watch some more.
This your back, like you, who you want to be. And because of this, way more, I just find something that's calm, see. Because I'm not going to sit down and argue with a little child. She's a child, I'm a cheater, like a child. You get me? So I say you're 4-4. You're really 4-4. I'm too 4-4. I don't know what else. So I don't want to decide to a different extent. I have to just say that and continue to say that because I'm out light. I'm not decide. I mean, no one disrespect her and she's a child. She never can take the disrespect. She's not ready for this yet. When you're 18, you come back and talk to me. You're not ready for this. We are big people. Go on side. You shouldn't even talk back to me. Because if I tell her something, I can never foolish it. I'm not going to tell her. I'm not going to tell her if you do no foolishness. I just what your mother say. And I say, woman, if you are short after them to forget something across the board. You get me? Because them not listen. Them just do them own thing. And that's nice. And the lady need help. And brother, she know enough to ask herself, who help her the most. You never say nothing. Don't listen. So I expect no disrespect for none of them. Because I help all of them. Okay, not all about money, brother. There. I mean, there is for money. Sure. I'm going to take disrespect, brother. Yeah, that don't make no sense. Then I say, yo, you never know how some sitting here. That don't make no sense. You know, so I make up be a story and be a lie. So you go, yeah. So who don't know that I got chat shit, so I will tell her, it started already. I told her, I should even smoke, but it is what it is. You know, I tell me if you bomb buckler to eat, you know. If more or less, if you don't want to leave it, I don't have to leave it. Just relax yourself. Don't fix me better. She don't know nothing about my inbox. She only can guess and rain. Everybody will talk to people I know a long time ago. You see me? Nobody can think that nah influence if you tap data or nothing. Better. My no man good enough. Trust me. I may stop growing or a fear or fault. Cause I know me left with a me and them good. All those somebody money good in I do. I want to be not bad good with none at all. I pity. You get me? Me not have good with she none at all. She not exist yet. She a child, she could go on side. But me everybody go, me love everybody before me left. And nobody not say nothing to me like pertaining to certain thing. And when me left, they start chat a bag of shit. Better true yourself. Then if you go back there, say better. A big man, you know. You come and talk to me as an adult. You do something wrong, you come and tell me. You do something, you don't like what you do or whatever. I mean, hear this and you hear that. Because you only can hear things and you can't see me do fuckery. Because I don't support it. Yeah, you're big people, come and talk to me, man. You wait until me go and chat shit. You coward. You feel to me go vex it and know me not going to go back. Keep nobody wants. I mean, I don't have nothing. Love you, see me. You're my friend. If you don't want to deal me, you're your business. You get me? But me now come back around and we don't disrespect me. You mad? You could have given me $1 million, I don't care. I don't take disrespect from nobody. I will feel like all the money in your face. Because I know money me I do this for. I do this for my heart, brother. Anything you say, if you have nobody, I don't forget no reward. Me, bless. Me can't dead if you hungry. And tell her that. You know, but me can't dead if you hungry. And me can't be a free service here and I want $1 from you. Me tell her some mistake. Nah, I tell her this is for nobody, dog. Care who you want to be better. Nobody gonna take disrespect from. Yeah, nobody know nothing better. If they want to sit down for my name, I feed them business that. You see it? We consider them as family. And I love them. And I know how when people find a worse in them, I see good in them, brother. You see it? So, it really matter to me. If they don't want to like me, I feed them twice. But I have no hate for nobody. None at all. You see me? Just I go and do the right thing. Just I go and do my work and do what I have to do. If you don't like my service, it is what it is. I'm not going to force and say, yo, you have to drive with me. No, you don't have to. There's so many drivers, guys. Just like how she find me, she can find somebody else. No, one duffel bag. You couldn't hold an envelope of one duffel. Warn me about what, Daddy Berry. Nothing good. I'm great. What happened? Nothing happened, alright? You don't have to warn me about nothing. I'm a big man. You're one not going nowhere. I fuck you, come chat right now, but you don't want. Good night, walk on.
You don't like me.
Just for another.
Alright, my people. So, him saying what him a say, I mean, I listen to what him a say. Me see say like him no put any them pan no levels. You understand? Let me show you something. Me can bet you say if him did a work for some rich people would have them money. Seeing him would a deal with for them picnic like kings and queens, and he would dare say certain things, like even when him say to any daughter, he would dare say anything like that or close to that to them. And rich people have some of the most rotten picnic them where this you and deal with you any type of way. Bet you say he would have suck it up and don't respond to them in a no messed up way. He would even tell the family, say, yo, you know, say, Ray, maybe them even see the picnic and misbehave on a road to him. And he must say, no, man, I picnic that, man. Make him stay, man. I make him road to him same way. That's why I tell her, say, you see, different strokes for different folks. And don't make nobody take you for idiot and take you for less than who you are. You are a human being. You are equal to everybody on this planet. Alright, Earth then. Everybody on Earth. You see me I say? So, me know people stay and make me know in the comment section if I lie me I tell.
Alright. Man, that can go take out the Afro kinky out of your head. That's what we go do. Right. Take out the Afro kinky out of your head.
Tell them to mute him, chat. Tell them to mute him. Tell them to mute him.
I want to talk.
Tell them to mute him.
You see, everything want to talk about me. She's strong in our Gideon, and nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up.
One wall. One wall.
I'm clean. I'm a
teaching a poem there.
See God face. No time. Share.
Why me can't see God face? Me not kill nobody. Me not kill nobody.
She have a pint still in no share. That the Bible say no.
Slide.
That the Bible say no. You have a pint.
Finding Nemo. Who's the Finding Nemo?
You shall never see the hands of God and the face of God. You not take good chance. That the Bible say can't do no wrong.
Oh, and the Bible say what you do wrong. Cause remember you
can't make a picnic.
Yo, get slime and fuck and make things
so
right.
the two we not see God face. Remember Jenny.
You're right, you anyway. Like you, son. You're right, you
Candy. Candy.
Bust off in your face, no Candy.
Candy.
Baby, that bust off in your teeth, me mom.
You shouldn't even argue with. You shouldn't even argue
Baby, that bust off in your mom. Make your teeth them right now.
Candy, you shouldn't even argue with.
That bust off in your mouth.
I'm gonna bust off for your nose.
She have a car problem, Nippy. Can let me tell you something?
The blood clot, we don't kill none of own Gideon. But now see none on the face.
Alright, that's all.
Yeah, transmission.
Slime.
You should even not consider them again.
May I tell you?
I want to eat for himself.
May I tell you?
You are talking about God face. If God, when God come, if God go by country, you are going to get left because you're not from country. When God come, if you not go by country, you are get left behind because you're not from country. So you're sin right there, so.
Yo, everybody type Candy win. Everybody type Candy win.
You want beard slime if you want
everybody type Candy win.
Jaden fuck you back.
Everybody comment wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Right now you can't sit down in a hot sun, you know.
Move your blood clot.
You can't sit down in a hot sun, you know. If you ever think you go sit down from a seat where the nice sun, me sorry for you. You can't chat to me, you know. You can't sit down in the nice sun right now, you know. You can't sit down in the nice sun. Let me see.
Remember, she sell her soul for a woman. She married to a woman. That not right. Look on the big good on here, but
you got
boy,
I
Right now, you're not see God face with that hairstyle. That hairstyle, they are alone, make you not go to the kingdom of heaven.
You're not see God face with that them that here. You go back to time with beer gum. Can't do the same way all your blood clot, man. I saw you go back.
First thing first, gotta send you back with that ear.
Can't do the same way all your bad. I saw you go back. You're born with no teeth. You go back with no blood clot. You can't come say something.
like diesel, like diesel.
Come you came,
wipe the don't worry.
Come you came, and come you went.
You come and you're going back
bite
with
the part on, watch out. Me can't bother.
Come you came and slime laugh this
talking.
I want a group slime.
Eyebrow sheet.
I want to be a laugh after.
Anytime I can't shit me, I beat my body at them.
JJ. Jaden class her up. She fucking out her class her.
Jaden, you're gonna brush it out.
Jaden just eat food and like.
Jaden, brush it out, Jaja.
Remember I tell you something with Jaden.
It's sweet him. When me say me the can't shit. Me go beat my body and say, Jaden, come on.
Candy and a top smile, so your teeth did pretty.
Me not want to teeth. Me not tell you something, me not want to teeth. Cause no boy can't fuck me and put brush up in on me and then beat them up and them so I'm dirty. Move.
At least want some collarbone, please.
Candy, what is your collarbone?
Put the collarbone out of the
A girl can't fuck me with the bag. A girl can't fuck me with the bag.
where your collarbone there?
You see the man?
No, man, them the collarbone they can't catch water,
Sit down,
man.
fireman, Candy, sit down, fireman. Bumbo clot.
No, sir.
I'll film pan from supposed to think.
No one was on this.
It's supposed to think, yes?
Bumbo clot,
Basic.
that take peace, you know.
Yeah, me and Queen are playing a blood class internship.
Yeah, my body well covered. Yeah, my cover my body by the blood of Jesus.
Your bottom cover, me still a see your
That's why I
bottom.
say can't drive on your body clean.
So all your bottom cover, me still a see your bottom. Oh, I am out that, sorry.
Panty not clean.
A body wash.
Your bottom am out, no different.
A body wash.
What's there?
Jaden, come on down, Jaden, come on, look at him, bro.
And here we are, the whole for.
Our dentist come in.
Yeah, man, he's all looking, bro.
What if blood
Put the phone there, sir. Bumbo clot. Pass me Peter Kikis. Who take it?
Our dentist come.
And the brush come.
I care zero. Big up.
Candy, your man, you can't trick your man say your birthday and make him buy you 1 year.
Natalie!
You know, so when I go, me like me here, God love her same way.
You don't have no money for buying a blood clot. You notice how me a got? Your money you don't have for buying a blood clot here.
Rub down your man, Candy, rub down your man.
Money you don't have. Struggle.
Babe,
Struggle.
I have money to go in the parlor.
What?
Did I have money to go in the hairdresser parlor?
You don't have money for God, Paula.
Paula dead. Uncle dead after. You know them are gonna remove your man.
You understand what I say? Disrespect my body, disrespect me. These are the things that give me drive, what just make me push, you know what I say? Right? I'm just continue fight. You understand? I just continue fight, like literally, cause yes, my hurt, my heart break, like, you know, when you believe in a something at the end of the day, you want to give your all, and next it just tear down like that. So me not gonna break my focus on what me I do for nobody, but nobody can stop it with how me feel at the end of the day. Bro, yeah, me love you dude, but me not gonna go back. Me keep on and say that.
Hey, me I go show the youths them how them woman are stay. See? A woman will complain to a good youth about a bad youth. See? And that the good youth they're willing to give her everything we have and treat her the best way possibly in her life. And she still not give him a chance. She will give her next bad youth a chance before she give him the good youth a chance. And when she give multiple bad man, me not talk in the sense of crime or something, but man we are run up and down and deal with them like dog shit. Seeing when them done with couple of them man there and them can't take it no more, then them give the good youth a chance where I go show them the best in a life. That's why them say good man finish last. Look pan Annie Bawl Ova this youth here. See, me not say maybe not treat him not treat her good, you know, when them just start talk and them way there, you know, and deal with her the best, you know. But look how the dog bring her down. You see me I say, and this a man in a partial woman. From you slip your slide and him done you wicked. And she a ball over. And I say she now go back to him. And me I go tell you say if him make up his mind and say, yo, you know what, me I go look back on it and him start look her back. Him get her back. Soft out to him again. Remember me tell you now, good guys finish last. So that them always say. So don't put yourself out of the way to please a woman, because you will never please a woman. Woman love problem. They want something where them can fix. Remember me tell the majority, because what some more.
I'm not gonna stop saying I do love him, but me not gonna go back. But that not say me hate him or try to put him down. You get what me I try to say? I think both of we can move on. Like that's okay.
Annie, you more you have to do. Me need you to ignore the little topic there. Ignore that topic, and as I said before, you need to put yourself first, find happiness within you, apply more pressure towards your goal and stuff like that. You know, if you have meds about that, because sometimes the past really, you know, put you back in pain and stuff like that.
Yeah. That's it. That's
focus on you see me? Remember, you know, you have your family, you know, so an idea. Also your health, because your health comes first. So you have to really focus on yourself, your business, your house, and the foundation.
Yeah.
You see me? You know, if you have meds power gone already, because sometimes you move forward, you know. You see me? Sometimes you do when you move forward towards life. Cause
yeah, that's true.
Sometimes you do reverse, sometimes you reverse, and when you reverse, it's like you reverse to reply, you reverse to receive more pain, more hurt, you know, more heartbroken and stuff like that. So rather you just move forward, think ahead, and do your best, isn't it?
That's it.
Yeah, you don't need to worry about the past.
That's it. Alright, thank you. Well, I'm gonna get up humble. I have humble in my box.
Humble there?
Yeah, humble. You see blue team, come on, and I see the team. We're not talk about the blue. We're not talk about the Good morning, Annie. Oh my God, it's your life, Tashana. Tashana, thank you, baby. Thank you so much for that.
Annie.
Yeah?
Yeah, what me I say to you?
Yeah.
If you didn't know and watch on TikTok, you would have known say TikTok police is a player. So when me see him run in, I chat to you as a man. Zane, when me see him run in, me know say it wasn't real. The man they run down clout and is a player. And that's about it. You, me see realize that you go in and you fall in love with the dog. And you still have love for him. And that's why you want to come here when you talk about him. You still have love for him, but him never love you none at all. So here we are, leg of that. Rosetta, big up yourself and everybody else big up yourself. But there I go and hold it.
Yeah. But Annie, my opinion, Bubalo. Yeah, baby.
You know, I hear life. I'm out to tell you. You know, you see, you know, you listen to too much opinion where people don't know you. Annie know you. You know what's best. You know. You get me? I said to you, wherever you feel this, that, me not gonna tell you way. You get me? But me I tell you, Annie, because guess what? Everybody choose them life and make them life. You can't look on this opinion, I mean the comment, because them don't know you. You get me? I said to you, people just don't know you. You get me? I said to you, them don't even know what Annie is all about and what Annie I feel. You know yourself. You don't have to explain to nobody what you're going to do. If you feel like whatever you want to do, me with you. Bad, good, you know, I some love you. I love you. Yeah, let me just tell you something, Annie. You get me? I said to you, this is your life. You get me? Nobody in that comment here on TikTok can't tell you what to live your life. You get me? Them only can just start them opinion. But meanwhile, you for listen to me as a friend. You get me? Whatever Annie say, goes. Nobody else not make Annie life. And nobody else not tell you what to do. Because he's a big old man. You see me? I said to you, my other sister, well, sometimes you want the things and people come and not change your thoughts. Annie, have your own thoughts. You get what I'm saying, my friend? I understand say what you get me? But you know what your author say. You get me? I said to you, me not have to tell you, I'm going to seek pike. You get me? I say, may I tell you something, Annie? Whatever your decision, I love you regardless. You get me? Me, I tell you something. I'm off your back. You get me? Whatever me, I tell you. You see me? You not have to explain nothing no more. Drop off that subject here. Who don't even care whatever you want for them. I understand. If you want to be friend with him, be friend. Nobody can tell you. You get me? I mean that smile too. You get me? Sometimes you wear your ass in a piece. And what you either wait for that apology there, you feel so good inside. Annie, let me just
that's true. That's true.
You get me? Let me just make it.
Sometimes you just want your heart in a piece like that.
Yeah, sometimes some people hurt you, just want them come back and say sorry.
And that's
you get me? Answer to you for just know so them it know them it hurt you. You get me? So you can just have your peace. You get me? Answer to you, Annie, boy? Yeah. But guess what? Anybody who want to tell you to do your life, now listen to them. Do what Annie wants to do. You understand? Come right behind you. I'm off your back. Wherever you fall, I'm right behind you and lean. Eh? Maybe just make me push you back up. Eh? And you not fall. Let me just tell you. Let me tell you yesterday, God opened the doors. See that blessing the way it flowing. Let me just tell you. Everybody, every can't mash up. Everybody who would get up on you, everything mash up. They might call upon them knee and beg for your forgiveness. Let me just make you know, Annie. You don't understand. Annie, you don't need. You see me? I say nobody validation in your life. You see me?
Yes.
Me, I tell you that, Annie, because it hurt me sometimes they behind and I listen, you know. Other people are coming and try to tell you what to do. Nah, go work.
Yeah.
Want to hear this. Whatever Annie say, I saw it go.